Hello, Betty. I prepared for you this really gorgeous materials. First of all, we have two magazines, hard copy of issue 2 and issue 1, and also inside of this magazine about the blouse Sonia, I placed a sample of lace Sonia made in the gold and yellow colors, very beautiful one, just to show you how it looks, this ready lace. It's so beautiful. And also besides this, for this blouse I am using a bigger crochet hook just for beginning of the work when we are making such long chain. We are using, I think, 2 times like this bigger crochet hooks. That's why I place it 2 crochet hooks here, 1.7 and 2.1 millimeters. So you need to know why 2 crochet hooks we have here. So two magazines like a gift, small gift for you. And also here we have really a fantastic DIY crochet yarn kit for our crop top mermaid. So we have a yarn kit, it's bigger. Next I will explain why it's bigger. Next, the journal with schemes. This fabric pattern, I made it a little bit longer, and I want to show you my student from Poland. She made such yes, crop tops longer. Yes, you can see they are longer, just this one and this. And I think they are just perfect. Looks really great, and they look really great. And I want to say that I really enjoy when these crop tops are made with a transition of colors. Yes, it's very beautiful and interesting. You will have also incredible design. So longer crop top is perfect for me. We have fabric pattern especially for you. Also USB flash drive with video tutorials, PDF lessons, schemes, instructions, photos, everything. We have beads and shells, samples of elements, a lot of motifs. You can use them all for your project. So almost you have everything you need to create this crop top. Next, about threads. So we have two additional colors, and I didn't add this pastel yellow because it's matte viscose and I have really small amount of this thread. That's why I added these new colors. They are new and just perfect. We have lime, yellow lime, and bright yellow. All together are just perfect. We have in total 800 grams. It's much more bigger kit than we have in our DIY crochet yarn kit. You will be able to create not only one crop top. This will be perfect to create, for example, summer top if you want, like this, or several like this crop tops. Just you will see what you like to create. So a lot of threads you have, and samples of elements. You can compare your results with these motifs, but don't worry if your elements will be bigger or smaller. It's really normal because I am working with my own tension of thread. You will have your own, and each of us are just working in a little bit different way. So don't be afraid to create, just make it in your own way. And also, nuances. How to start, because you need to get some practice. You need to start from just simple elements. Let's see, we have simple elements. This one, it's a motif Eva flower. Start from this element. Also, you can start from these long leaves. They are not difficult. Next, this wedge, it has 4 different colors. It's perfect to just to get practice to change colors. The most difficult are these motifs etan, and also this wedge is not so difficult, but the main thing here is to create these side seams. What I mean, when you start new row, you should make chain loops, make them a little bit loose. When you finish each row, you should make some stitch, make it also a little bit bigger. Yes, if you will make too tight everything, it will be just like this, very small, and you will not be able to make it straight and elastic, and it will be not good. So be careful with beginning of row and with the end of each row, like this. And these motifs etan you should make in the end, because they are really difficult, as we have there a lot of small stitches, so they are the most difficult for you, I think. Next, when you will start to make these flowers, just take threads and practice. Create 3 or 4 motifs. Only after this you will start to feel the thread. In the beginning it will be slippery, it will be not good, but just make first element, after make second one, and I think third and element number 4 will be okay. Just you need to try, don't be afraid, and yes, don't think bad about yourself. you need to try how to work. This thread is not so simple, I know, but my students are working with it, and right now a lot of students, they made a lot of projects, dresses, blouses, skirts, so everything is just perfect. And the lace, you will make incredible lace. You need to iron and stretch it, and you will see how beautiful and soft and silky lace you will get. And the last thing, how to work with this thread, because we have 3 cones all the time and only one color has 4 cones. It's more thin thread. That's why you should join 4 cones together. And now we have question, how to change colors. You have 3 and after 4 cones. Now I will show you. So for example, this wedge, we are starting from ivory. You will work first of all with 3 cones, join it together. You need to remove this grid that we have and place them to some big box or big plate. Take 3 threads, join them together, crochet hook 1.7 millimeters. And now next you will start to change colors. So you will cut out this 1 thread. You need to join 2 already. With such combination you will make few rows of this wedge, for example. Next you will cut out 1 more cone, join another one, this yellow lemon or lime, and after again you will make part of lace, you will cut the last ivory and you will join the last this one. Next you will continue your work and you need to go to the yellow color. So first you will cut 1 thread, join yellow. Next you will cut second cone and join yellow. In the end you need to cut out these 2 cones at once and join the last yellow cone. So I hope you understand how it works. It's not difficult, just remember the scheme and work in such way. You can write down for yourself this system, how to change colors when you have different number of cones, and everything will be just fine. Okay, that's all for now. I will send you the package right now, send you the tracking number. Thank you so much for your big order. I wish you gorgeous results. If you will have questions during your work, just feel free to send me a message. I will gladly help you and I will send you a video answer. So that's all for now, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.